The topic for today is phrases and clauses. Phrase. A phrase is a group of words in a sentence. As it does not contain a subject and a verb, it does not convey the complete meaning and depends on the other part of the sentence for the same. For example, the sun rises in the east. Now, in this sentence, the sun rises makes complete sense if let to stand alone. But in the east, what in the east? The sentence doesn't sound complete. So, in this sentence, the phrase is in the east. It doesn't contain a subject and a verb, and it doesn't make complete sense. It doesn't complete the sentence. It is depending on the part of the sentence. The sun rises. So, in the east is the phrase. Second example, Sasha took a long leave. Now, in this sentence, Sasha took. What did she take? A long leave. So, in this sentence, the phrase is a long leave. Again, it doesn't contain a subject, it doesn't contain a verb, and it is depending on the main part of the sentence, that is, Sasha took a long leave. Who took a long leave? If you just separate it from the sentence, you do not know who has taken the leave. So, a long leave over here is a phrase because it is depending on the person who has taken it. That is, Sasha has taken the leave. So, Sasha took a long leave. A long leave is what conveys the incomplete meaning. There are 4 kinds of phrases: noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase. Noun phrase. A noun phrase is a phrase in which the main word is a noun. For example, in the first sentence, my elder sister is very beautiful. Now, in this sentence, elder sister is the noun. So, you have your noun phrase, my elder sister. Is very beautiful any person? It is beautiful. She is beautiful. Who? It is specified over here. My elder sister. So that is the noun in the sentence. So that is why it is the noun phrase, because it is the main word. The noun is the main word. Second example, I like to play the piano. Now in this sentence, the noun is piano. So the noun phrase is to play the piano, because the main word, that is piano, is a noun. So you have the noun phrase to play the piano. It is depending on the main part of the sentence, that is I like to play the piano. Who likes to play the piano? I like to play the piano. So it is depending on the group of words I like. So the noun phrase over here is to play the piano. Verb phrase. A verb phrase is a phrase in which the main word is a verb. For example, the first sentence, the teacher is writing the answer. Now you are aware of what a verb is. A verb, it is an action verb. That is an action that is being done by a person. Now in this sentence, in this example, the teacher is writing the answer. In this sentence, the verb is writing. This is your verb phrase. Ideally when you have to identify the noun or a verb in a sentence is different, because you're just dealing with a part of speech. You have to just identify. Whereas in the phrase, there is a verb which is a phrase in the sentence. So, is writing is a phrase and it is a verb phrase. Second example, she has been working all day. In this example, the verb is has been working. So this becomes your verb phrase. Has been working. Who has been working? She. So working is an action that is done by the person. So your verb phrase is has been working. Adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a phrase in which the main word is an adjective. It may also be qualifying the noun in the sentence. For example, Birbal was a wise man. Now, in this example, the adjective is wise man. So, this becomes your adjective phrase. A wise man is the adjective phrase because it is qualifying the noun Birbal. Birbal is the name of a person. So, it is a noun. So, the adjective phrase is a wise man. It is describing how the person is. The describing words are known as adjectives. Correct? So, it is describing Birbal as a wise man. So, a wise man is the adjective phrase. Second example, she is a girl with blue eyes. The adjective phrase in the sentence is with blue eyes because it is describing the eyes of the girl. The girl is the noun in the sentence, so it is qualifying the noun girl. The girl has blue eyes, correct? So, with blue eyes is the adjective phrase in the sentence because it is qualifying the noun girl in the sentence. It is describing how the eyes are of the girl. It is describing the word. So, with blue eyes is the adjective phrase. Adverbial phrase. An adverbial phrase is a phrase in which the main word is an adverb. The adverbial phrase answers the questions when, where, how, and to what extent. Adverbial phrases express time, place, manner, and degree. For example, the first sentence, they have been working on their project very sincerely. Now it depends on what type of question you ask. When have they been working on their project? No. Where have they been working? Still doesn't sound right. How have they been working on their project? You get your answer. Very sincerely. Because you're asking, how have they been working on their project? So your answer is very sincerely. So the adverb phrase in this sentence is very sincerely. Second example, write it in your own words. In this sentence, the adverb phrase is in your own words because you are asking the question, How? How to write it in your own words. You can't ask where to write it, then it would be in a book or somewhere. How to write it in your own words. So, in your own words is the adverbial phrase.